What's up guys, I'm Miss Cubing, and today I have a super exciting unboxing. I have the GAN 356X. And finally, there's a cube. Oh, come on.
12 seconds later.
There. Here's a cube and comes in this plastic wrap. Let's open this. Let's see. Here. Oh my gosh. Here is the cube. First of all, it's pretty heavy. Like, it feels heavy and dense. Here's a honeycomb pattern. Let's go straight into first turns. Oh my dude, it's so smooth. I almost feel like the magnets are a little too, like, I don't know. I have to get used to it. But right now, I really like how it looks though. I really like this color scheme. Like, look at that. It's like pretty easy to like turn, and I think it needs some setup. But already now it's still an instant main. Let's check the corner cutting. You basically cut from anywhere. If it can't cut normal, then I'll cut reverse. Whoa. I want to check out the mechanism. Get the piece out. There. Here's a piece. I'm not sure, but I feel like the pieces look smaller than I think they should. Like in real life. Corner. You can at least see that they have at least glued this piece up. Like, look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a bunch of lube on it. The edge and the corner with those magnets. Here's the white magnets. Oh yes. Check out the GS. Let's check it out. Here it has, yes, the green nuts, and it's the GS version nuts that have the where you can tension it with just your hands, I think. Right now it's on 0.6, I think. And yeah, I'll totally try the other nuts. I've heard the yellow ones are really good, and what I can do is I can try switching the magnets on camera. So let's do that. And here are the magnets. Just wait. Let me look at this pamphlet. I gotta check the different magnet strengths. Let's see. Let me try changing to the yellow ones. Those are medium. So in the GAN video, they showed that doing this, offsetting it with 45 degrees and taking out one like that. Pushing it in. What? Dude, that feels so weird. Feels so weird to just change the magnets. I'll come back to you when I'm done with this. Okay guys, this is the last magnet. There, now I've changed the magnets to the medium setting, and here are the strong magnets. Let's see how this feels. I can feel a difference, yeah. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna change back to the strong magnets. But this is really nice. I'm probably gonna lube it with some weight 5 or something. But other than that, it's great. And yeah, that was pretty much it for this GAN 356X unboxing. And if you want to see a review on this cube, make sure to like this video. So I'll see you guys next time. See ya!